today I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble the Rubik's Cube. Sometimes if you play with the Rubik's Cube, some of the pieces will fall off. And then you'll be worried how to fix it again. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. This is how it looks when all the pieces are out of the Rubik's Cube. We have 12 two-color pieces and 8 three-color pieces. You have to separate them. First, you have to put the two-color pieces because the three-color pieces go in the edges. So it's not that much easy to put the three-color pieces first. You have to match all the color pieces. If you're wrong, you have to look. If you're done with the two color pieces, you have to look if they all match and they are all flat. If you're done with all the color pieces, you have to look and check if they all are correct or not. I did the green one correct, the orange correct, the yellow correct, the red plus correct, the blue plus correct, and the white plus correct. Everything correct. Now let's start with the three color pieces. Let's see if they all match. They come in the corner. If it's not fitting, take a screwdriver and then the loose in the screw with the color middle is. And make sure to get one piece out so you can do it. When it's all loose, put every piece in and then tighten it. And then the Rubik's Cube will be done. make sure you tighten the every color you just glued. And put the cap on. This is how you assemble and disassemble the Rubik's Cube. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.